Join me for the short full body stretching routine today. This is the 5th workout in my Build Challenge, which is 5 workouts in 5 days to help you feel strong, motivated, and confident in your strength and your body. So you can join us right here for these workouts, or you can sign up below for more free resources and full-length workouts from me as a special bonus to this challenge. The link to sign up is below. So we're gonna start laying down on our backs, and we're just gonna do a really nice full body, gentle stretch routine today to help create some space in our hip joints, and our back, and our shoulders. Just let your neck turn side to side. And then arms are gonna reach down to your sides. Take an inhale. Exhale, I want you to curl your tailbone, and you're gonna roll up, lifting your hips up towards the ceiling. Once you get there, reach your arms back behind you. Keep them there as you roll back down. So this is just starting us out with a really nice active lengthening movement for our spine, for our back. Bring your arms back down to your sides, curl and roll up again. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, roll down. One more like that. Nice deep breaths to calm your body as well as you work to create that space. Once you come down and your arms come down to your sides, straighten your left leg out and pull that right knee in. Give it a really good squeeze. And then hold behind the knee and reach the leg up and back in. 3 more. Lengthening through the back of the leg. From here, bend that left knee so that the right ankle rests on the knee. And we're gonna find that figure 4 stretch for your piriformis. So you can keep the left foot on the ground, or you can pull those legs in towards you. And then from here, cross that leg all the way across. So your thigh is on your thigh, arms out to a T, and let your legs fall to the left, and you're gonna look to the right. So that nice deep twist. And if your legs don't like this position, you can just have your knees next to each other. And then take your time coming back up. Uncross your legs, reach the right leg out, and hug that left knee in. Give it a good squeeze. And then hold behind the leg, reach it up, and then bend. Straighten and bend. Nice. Bend the right knee so that the left ankle is on the knee, and pull the legs in to get a stretch behind that left hip. Feel yourself just getting heavier onto the mat, like you're trying to relax into it. And then let's cross the left leg all the way over the right. Let the knees fall to the right, and you're gonna look to the left. And then slowly make your way back to center. You can uncross that leg, pull both knees in, rock yourself side to side. And then roll to the side. And we're gonna sit up and come to a seated position with our legs straight out. So have your legs mat distance apart, pull the toes back towards you, Hands behind your head. Inhale to the left as you rotate your upper spine. Exhale, center. Inhale to the right. Exhale, center. So this is a really nice opening for that upper spine and shoulder area. Good, and bring those arms down. And we're gonna bring the right foot in and the left foot open a little bit more so you find this half straddle position. Your left hand is gonna come down by your left knee, reach the right arm up, and then let's reach over to the left for your side stretch here. And we're gonna stay here for a moment, so take that nice deep breath in and exhale. Feel like you might be able to sink a little bit deeper. That left elbow can press into the left knee so that you can open towards the ceiling a little more. And then now you can rotate down towards that left knee and just bow over that leg. And walk yourself back up. And we're gonna switch legs. Right leg will reach out, left knee comes in. Your left foot is kind of right into that right inner thigh. Right hand by the right knee. Inhale, reach that left arm up. And exhale, reach to the right. Spiraling yourself up, opening your chest towards the ceiling. And then you're gonna turn towards that right knee, towards the ground, and fold over that right leg. Remembering that your body is your own. You're going as deep as your body will let you. That's all that matters. Not what anyone else looks like, not how much you maybe could stretch 10, 20 years ago. What can you do right now in this moment? Nice, and then we'll walk back up. And then we're gonna bring both legs in front. So we're spending a lot of time here into the hips. That hip tightness can affect so many other parts of our bodies. Let's have the legs out straight, and if that's not comfortable for you, you can sit up on like a folded mat or a little bit of a stool. Inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale over your legs. Let's just inhale to restack. Arms reach up. Exhale over. One more. And restack here. And then go ahead and come into another comfortable seat, but you can bend your knees. And I'm gonna have you bring your right ear to your right shoulder. So you can be sitting again on a stool or even in a chair for this. And then let your head roll towards the front and over to the other side. And we're going to do one more each side. So just nice, gentle roll of your neck over to the right. Nice, gentle roll of your neck over to the left. And then head comes back up to center. Inhale the right arm up. And exhale, reach over. So another side stretch here, maybe coming all the way to your elbow. Back up over to the other side. Back up, and now we're gonna bring both arms up. Inhale, exhale, rotate to your right, left hand to your knee, right hand behind you. Take a moment here. Inhale, grow taller. Exhale, rotate farther. And then inhale, arms up, come to center, exhale, other side. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, fold forward. Just reach those arms forward. Sink in. And then slowly walk your hands back. Restack your spine. And nice job. Thank you so much for meeting me on the mat today, and I'll see you soon. Hey, it's Jessica. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss new releases. And here are a few recommendations for what to try next.